Hi folks, it's Terry back from Terry's O-Gauge Trains. The follow-up on that Canadian Pacific that arrived from eBay yesterday, along with some cars, a couple cars, and a micromotor. The motor was originally, when I got it out of the box, was dead as a hammer because the coil on the E-unit is shot. So I had to bypass that, do an E-unit bypass. In the next video, I'll explain how I did that. But for now, what I want to show you is it also had this wheel, was very loose on the axle. I was able just to pull it off with one hand. I'm going to show you what you can do when a wheel on these Marx locomotives is loose on the axle, how to fix that. What you want to do here, come around here, is take something like this, these wires, this wire cutter, a pair of nippy cutters, whatever you have, and you're just going to grab that axle and you're just going to pinch and put about 3 or 4 real hard bites in that, grooves. And that's going to, I've already done it, I'm just demonstrating here. And what that's going to do is that will tighten that up so that wheel will stay on. It puts new splines in it. Let me put a couple more in there. As these axles are soft metal, almost like a nail, so you can get that in there. Then once you've done that, simply put the wheel back on. Okay, make sure it's straight. Come over to the vise. I'll use the vise, and you're just going to press the wheel back on. And then you will be good to go. You want to press that on, you want to put that wheel in there and make sure it's level. Like it's going on even, and then just carefully press that back on. One thing you want to make sure is that your bearings are seated in there, because you don't want to get the wheel back on only to find out that the bearings aren't seated. Then you got to take it back, pull the wheel back off, and fix that. That should be good right there. And as you can see, that wheel. Well, I can see we're not going to be using that wheel. As you can see, the wheel has split. So, I'm probably going to have to use a different wheel on that. Well, that's not good. The wheel has split. So I said, probably from zinc pest or whatever. This is a very old wheel. Or something I did. So that is not good. So we'll have to fix that up and see if we can get this running. The motor is running. I can demonstrate that in the next video, but unfortunately the wheel is going to need replaced. So this will be all for this video. It's an unexpected problem, but one I can probably fix. We'll talk to you later, and thank you for watching.